So this is our robot, but before we even start showing any autonomouses, we have to initialize it first. Upon initialization, these ring blockers go up, which they're already up whenever we start, but just to lock them in place. The camera will move to position to scan for the rings right there, and the wobble gripper will close in on the wobble, which we'll show in a minute. So when I initialize, it will close that, and it'll, like it's seen in the clip before, it'll move the camera to position. So now it's in line with the ring, and it's scanned it, and it can tell you that there is a single ring. And then it'll run the autonomous, and that'll work for whatever amount of rings it may be. So here it says single ring. If we put 3 more, and refresh the view, it'll say quad ring. And if we take them all away, it'll say no rings, and all of that will coordinate with the movement. So here's our 1 ring. No matter what the autonomous is, it'll always go forward and shoot the 3 preloaded rings up into the top, like it did now, going forward, strafing, and pivoting slightly. Here, it'll intake the singular ring. It'll then go forward, pivot, and shoot down one of the power shots. It'll then go forward and place the wobble inside of the zone, giving us a 71-point autonomous. We've gone through a lot of iterations with this, but this is the most consistent version of it. This is the 4 ring and our highest scoring autonomous. As I said before, it repeats the same process, pivoting, shooting the 3 preloaded rings, and then it'll go into the if-do loop. Here it said quad. So it'll shoot that singular ring up there, and then it'll continue on backwards, intaking 3 more rings. It'll then go forward and shoot off those rings, and place the wobble in the proper zone, giving us an 104-point autonomous. This is the no ring autonomous, and it goes through the same process, shooting the 3 rings up into the top. It places the wobble in zone A, and then goes for the wobble to place in zone A along with the other one. Giving us a 71-point autonomous. This is another version of the 1 ring auto. This has been less consistent, but is still available to use. In this version, we shoot off the 3 rings like we do in all of them, and we go and place the wobble first. We then turn around and we head towards the second wobble. We pick up that wobble, and on the way we intake the remaining ring, but not shooting it, and we place that wobble into the zone and park on the line. Thank you so much for watching our Control Award submission on behalf of Team 12995 Monkey Wrench Robotics.